Introduce short overview of ENPAP Tumbler Mug Heat Press Machine. You enter or here, what will you get? If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Portable Tumbler Heat Press Machine. Its portable design makes it easy to take with you anywhere. Much smaller and lighter than the original 30 ounces tumbler heat press machine. With ergonomically designed, it can be carried if you want to take it out for outdoor DIY making. It is easy to store and doesn't take up lots of space. Smaller but more durable, stronger, and safer. Universal compatibility. This adjustable tumbler press to be compatible with a wide range of tumbler and mug sizes. The tumbler mug heat press is with a 10.6-inch or 27 cm length detachable heating attachment, and the diameter range is 2.65 to 3.4 inches. The tumbler mug press is widely suitable for 12 to 30 ounces straight skinny sublimation tumblers, 16 to 30 ounces glasses, 11 to 16 ounces can coolers, mugs, and many other straight water bottles. Easy and safe operation. You can adjust the pressure and diameter by twisting the pressure knob. Besides, there is a fuse built in to make sure a safe operation and longer using life, very friendly to both beginners and professionals. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell look for all press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you for watching.